Hello dear students, welcome to another class of math. Today we are discussing word problems in lesson 10 metric measures. Let's start. Let us try 10.1. Here are some questions. First one, take the correct unit of measurement. One is done for you. Height of Qutub Minar. Yeah, it's 72 meter. Okay, not 72 kilometer. If we mention the unit as kilometer, it must be the distance between two places. Okay, then 72 centimeter is the smaller unit. So it shows height of Qutub Minar is 72 meter. Then height of a mango tree, not centimeter, not kilometer, it's 5 meter. Length of a sari, sure, it's 6 meter. Length of handkerchief. Handkerchief is the small size object, so its measurement must be in centimeter, so it's 18 centimeter, not 18 meter, not 18 kilometer, it's 18 centimeter. Okay, then second and third questions let's discuss later and go to the fourth question. Filling the blanks, one is done for you. 2 meter, 200 centimeter, 900 centimeter is 9 meter. We learned that when we convert smaller unit to bigger unit, we have to divide by 100. And when we convert centimeter into meter, we have to divide the number by 100. And in short, let's cut 2 zeros. So 900 centimeter is equal to 9 meter. Similar way, 15 meter is equal to 1500 centimeter and so on. Okay. And second question, a car traveled 145 kilometer on Monday and 154 kilometer on Tuesday. How much more distance did the car travel on Tuesday? Let's go. And it's given distance traveled by car on Monday 145 kilometer and on Tuesday it's 154 kilometer. Then we have to find how much more traveled on Tuesday. So distance covered more on Tuesday is 154 minus 145, it's 9 kilometer. Third question, the length of a pencil is 8 centimeter. On sharpening, its length decreased by 4 centimeter. How long is the pencil now? First, the length of pencil was 8 centimeter. While sharpening, its length decreased by 4 centimeter. Then how long the pencil now? Length of the pencil is 8 centimeter. Decreased length on sharpening is 4 centimeter. So the length of the pencil now is 8 minus 4 is equal to 4 centimeter. Then fifth question. The height of a giraffe is 5 meter 50 centimeter. Calculate its height in centimeter. Height of the giraffe given in meter is 5 meter 50 centimeter. We know that 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. So height of giraffe in centimeter is 500. 5 meter instead of 5 meter, we can convert 5 meter into 500 centimeter plus this 50 centimeter. So total 550 centimeter. Okay children. And next question. In a race, sixth question. In a race, Tinku runs 30 meter. His teammate Jesse runs 5 meter less than Tinku. Tinku's other teammate Erika runs 2 meter 20 centimeter more than him. Write the total distance covered by Tinku and his friends in centimeter. Okay. Tinku runs 30 meter. Jesse runs 5 meter less than Tinku. And Erika runs 2 meter 20 centimeter more than Tinku. So we need to find total how much distance they covered. Let's see. Given distance covered by Tinku 30 meter. Jesse 5 meter less than Tinku. That means 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 meter. Jesse covered 25 meter distance. Erika covered 2 meter 20 centimeter more than Tinku. Okay. So 30 plus 2 meter 20 centimeter, that is 32 meter 20 centimeter. Add the meters first. 30 plus 2 is 32 and 20 centimeter, 32 meter 20 centimeter. Then we need to find total distance covered by Tinku and his friends. That is 30 meter plus 25. 30 meter plus 25 meter plus 32 meter 20 centimeter. Total 87 meter 20 centimeter. I told you first we have to add the meters only. 13 plus 25 plus 32, that is 87 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay children. And seventh question. Rahul buys 2 meter of cloth. The cost of 1 meter cloth is 120 rupees. How much does Rahul pay for the cloth? And B question, how much does he have to pay if he buys 20 meter cloth? Okay. So, cost of the cloth is given. It's 120 rupees. So, money paid by Rahul for 2 meter cloth. He bought 2 meter cloth. So, 2 into 120 is rupees 240. Then how much rupees he need to pay if he buy 20 meter cloth? So 20 into 120 is rupees 2400. Okay children. And here is the question in your textbook. You have to do it in your textbook itself. A one-day cricket series between India and England will be played in 5 different cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Ranchi, Chennai and Hyderabad. We need to find how much distance will the teams travel if they start from Mumbai, travel to Delhi and finally go to Chennai. So the map is given, the distance between the places also given here. So we have to find total how much distance they traveled. The destination also is given in the question. So first Mumbai to, if they start from Mumbai, first we have to find Mumbai to Delhi. Here it is given Mumbai to Delhi. It is 1400 kilometer. So we can write it here. And then they travel to Chennai, from Delhi to Chennai. And here it is given from Delhi to Chennai, total 2134 kilometers. So let's add together 1400 plus 2134. Total they travel 3534 kilometers. Okay. Total they traveled 3534 kilometers. And next B question. After the match in Chennai, the teams will travel to Hyderabad. From Chennai to Hyderabad at 632 kilometers and then to Ranchi. From Hyderabad to Ranchi, and this is the distance. It's given 1340 kilometers. So total distance they covered 632 plus 1340 is equal to 1972 kilometers. Okay children. Next ninth question. The height of some mountain peaks are given below. Okay. And you have to write name the highest mountain peak in the world. I also mention its height. Look at this table and write. Okay. Then what is the difference in the heights and the lowest peak? Okay. Highest peak and the lowest peak. And here it is given. The highest peak is Mount Everest. Okay, the highest peak is Mount Everest and the lowest one is Nanda Devi. So it's different. I will show you. Highest mountain. Which is the highest mountain? Mount Everest. This one. Okay, Mount Everest. You have to write it. And its height also we have to write. Everest height is 8,848 meter, height in meter. Next, what is the difference between the heights of the highest peak? Peak is not given. Highest peak and the lowest peak. Highest peak is 8,848. Difference is asking. The lowest peak is 7,860. So 8,848 minus 7,860. That you have to write. Okay. And let us try 10.2. The question is given. Priyanka buys some decorative sticks. Fourth question. Decorative sticks of 25 centimeter each. The sticks need to be fitted along a wall which is 200 centimeter long. What is the minimum number of sticks she needs to cover the height of the wall? It is given length of the stick is 25 centimeter and length of the wall is 200 centimeter. We need to find how many sticks need to cover the wall. The stick length of one stick is 25 centimeter. So minimum number of sticks need to cover the wall is 200 divided by 25. What is 200 divided by 25? We can do the division, otherwise there is a trick. How many 25s are in 100? Yes, in 100, 4 25s. 425 make 100. If so, how many 25 are in 200? Yes, 8. So the answer is 8. 4 25s are in 100. So 8 25s are in 200. Next question. Rahul broke his ruler. He used a part of the broken ruler to measure the length of the ribbon. What is the length of the ribbon? Okay. And this is the broken scale. Let's mark the height. Let's mark the length of the ribbon in the ruler. Okay. So it starts from 10. Start from 10 and ends at 18.5. Okay. So how much centimeter loom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 and 0.5. So the length of the ribbon is 8.5 centimeter. The same way, Rahul uses a broken ruler to measure the length of a pen. What is the length? Here also mark the both ends of the pen in the ruler. So it starts from here. Okay, children. So if it is difficult to count the length, to measure the length of the pencil, if it starts from the 0.5, you can start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 0.5. So we can write 6.5 centimeter. Okay, children, 6.5 centimeter. Next question is very simple. Draw a circle around the weights that amount to the given weights. One is done for you. 5 kilogram. 5 kilogram given here. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5. Total 5 kilogram. The same way we have to around the weights that amount the given weights. Here 500 is there. 200, 200, 200, 100, 500. Then 1 kilogram. Here is 1 kilogram weight. And 250 gram, 250 gram and 200 gram, 250 gram. Okay, children. Next, this one we discussed in the class. This one we discussed in the class, in previous class. Then we have to write, choose the correct weight for each item and write in the blank. One is done for you. 1 gram, 100 gram or 1 kilogram, the weight of a chocolate. Obviously, it's gram. Okay, so 100 gram. An apple, we learned that an apple, and our objects like an apple and orange all measures in gram. Okay, so 100 gram or 1000 gram. Sure, 100 gram, because 1000 gram means 1 kilogram. An apple never weighs 1 kilogram. An apple always measures in gram. So weight of the one apple is 100 gram. And weight of capsicum 550 gram or 500 gram. 500 gram means half kilogram. A capsicum always weighs 50 gram. It's also always weighs in grams, so 50 gram. Then a key 30 gram or 400 gram. Of course, 30 gram. Now circle the highest weight in each group. 250 gram, 500 gram, 300 gram, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 100 gram. If it is given like this, to compare the weights, first you have to look at the weight units, gram or kilogram. Okay, then we know that kilogram is always bigger than gram. And here all other weights other than 2 kilogram and 1 kilogram are given in gram. So compare two weights given in kilogram, that is one is 1 kilogram and other is 2 kilogram. 1 or 2, which is bigger? 2. So we can round the 2 kilogram. In the same way, look at this. First cut the gram cut, because we have to find the biggest one. Okay, then two weights are given. One is 1 kilogram and other is 500 kilogram. Which is bigger, 500 or 1? 500. So its answer is 500 kilogram. Okay children. And next, Naina's mother is going to United States. She is allowed to carry baggage weights up to 20 kilogram. Her bag already weighs 19 kilogram. A few things which different weights are still left to be packed. How much of the following weights should be left behind so that she can carry the maximum weight allowed? So 19 kilogram is there. She can take up to 20 kilogram. So to make the maximum weight, we have to select some weights here. So 1 kilogram left. 1 kilogram means 1000 gram. So let's take some objects. Total we have to make 1000 gram. Anything we can use. So 500 gram plus 100 gram, 600 plus 400. Total 1000 gram. So let's go with 400 gram, 100 gram and 500 gram. We can take all these weights. She can take. Okay. Next, grandmother is fond of making different types of pickles. Given below are the bottles which she keeps variety of pickles. Observe the weights of each bottle and answer the following questions. One is done for you. 1000 gram, 500 gram, 250 gram, 100 gram and 50 gram. First question, which pickle has the maximum weights? What is the weight? This pickle has maximum weight, mango, and it's 1000 gram. And second one, which pickle has the minimum weight? What is its weight? This one, 50 gram, chili 50 gram. Which pickle is half the weight of the mango pickle? This is mango pickle, 1000 gram. Half of 1000 is 500 gram. So lemon pickle, 500 gram. Next, which pickle is half the weight of the ginger pickle? Ginger pickle is 100 gram. Half of 100 is 50 gram. So chili is the half of the ginger pickle. Chili 50 gram. Which pickle is half the weight of the lemon pickle? Lemon pickle is 500 gram. Half of 500 is 250 gram. So carrot pickle 250 gram. Okay. Then next question, a watermelon weighing 3 kilogram is cut into 3 unequal pieces. What is the total weights of the 3 pieces of watermelon? Give the reason for your answer. Draw pointers to show the weights on the weighing machine. This is 3 kilogram. We have to draw the pointer, okay, to show the weight of the watermelon. Then what is the weight of this watermelon? Pieces of watermelon. Yeah, sure, it's 3 kilogram because there is no change whether we are cutting an object. Next one. Write the most appropriate unit, milliliter or liter. One is done for you. Okay. Mango shake in a jug, 900 milliliter. Tea in cup, 100 liter or milliliter. It's milliliter. Petrol in a car tank, 8. Of course, liter. Water in a tanker, liter, 5000 liter. Eye drops in a bottle, yes, it's small capacity, 10 milliliter. Grape juice of in a bottle, yeah, capacity is 500 milliliter. Next question, Riti made mixed fruit juice using 250 milliliter of orange juice, 100 milliliter of mango juice, 550 milliliter of mineral water and 10 milliliter of lemon juice. What is the total quantity of juice she made? So given, let's discuss this later. 4, 5, 6. Let's go to sixth one. Okay. Mehak filled bottle with 150 milliliter of milk, but her baby spilled half of the milk. Okay, total she made 150 milliliter, but her baby spilled half of the milk. Then what is the half of the milk? What quantity of milk did the baby spill? So half of 150, it's 75 milliliter. Then what quantity of milk was left in the bottle? 75 milliliter, because half of the 150 is 75 milliliter, then half quantity is left, it's also 75 milliliter. The 2-liter milk bottle shown below, can we fill 4 small bottles of equal capacity? This is 2 liter, that means 2000. Then we have to divide into 4 small bottles equally. So one bottle will be 500 milliliter, because 4 500 make 2 liter. We know that 2 500 make 1 liter. So 4 500 make 2 liters. So 500 milliliter. Okay children, then let's go to fourth and fifth question. We have read fourth question. Ready-made mixed fruit juice and given quantity of orange juice is 250 milliliter. Quantity of mango juice is 100 milliliter. Quantity of mineral water 50 milliliter and quantity of lemon juice is 10 milliliter. Then we have to find total quantity of juice. All these things added in the juice. So what is the total quantity? But it's very easy. We have to add all these quantities. So we will get 410 milliliter. Fifth question, the capacity of small mug is 200 milliliter and the capacity of small bucket is 4 times the mug. What is the capacity of the bucket? Capacity of small mug is 200 milliliter and it is given capacity of the bucket is 4 times small mug. Capacity of small mug. So 4 into 200, 4 times of the mug. So capacity of mug is 200. So 4 into 200 is equal to 800 milliliter is the capacity of small bucket. Okay children, and this is very simple. Filling the blanks with the correct option, one is done for you. The distance between two houses in neighborhood is 10 meter. Distance always measures. Okay, in units of measure, unit of length we use to measure the length. Okay, next. Raj buys 3 dash onions from the vegetable vendor. 3 millimeter or 3 kilogram or 3 gram. 3 kilogram, of course. Gram is the smallest unit. A municipal water tanker supplies 7,000 dash of water every day to a colony. 7,000 milliliter, gram or liter. Of course, water tanker 7,000 liter. The teacher asked us to draw a line of length dash in the notebook. Yeah, we can never draw 7 kilometer line in our notebook and 7 meter line in our notebook. We can only draw 7 centimeter. Okay. Then next question. Harleen buys 20 dash of cloth from the shop. 20 millimeter, 20 gram or 20 meter cloth. Yes, 20 meter cloth. Chetna buys a mineral water bottle of capacity 2. Yes, mineral water capacity, it's bigger capacity, not milliliter, not meter, and it's only liter, 2 liter. Okay children, thank you. Write all this in your